Hello tree lovers, Joel Mizell here with the Tree Planters at treeplanters.com. We're looking at 6-inch diameter by 20-foot tall live oaks that we have just installed. This is the same job where we have installed a batch of 12-inch by 30-foot live oaks. But this is what you can get at the Tree Planters in the 6-inch by 20-foot range. Look at these trees, they're just perfect, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous trees. So we presume that everybody wants trees. They're so beneficial in so many ways. They give you peace, they give you shade, they give you tranquility, which I guess is the same thing as peace. But go to the treeplanters.com, take a look at our website, take a look at what we do, and then give us a call. We sell any tree grown in Florida. Everything we sell is planted and guaranteed. Have a great day.